Rivers State Governor Fubara don sign 200 billion naira as supplementary budget recently passed by the Rivers State House of Assembly. The governor talk say on behalf of the executive arm of government, he appreciate the Rivers State House of Assembly for their quick response to the supplementary budget and said them go implement every good idea of the previous administration wey go improve lives of Rivers people. Oga Fubara talk say administration go begin the construction work for the proposed Port Harcourt Ring Road and say the project go connect different communities.
On behalf of the executive arm of the government, say thank you first to the House for responding quickly to our request for a supplementary budget to aid our administration agenda. We are a product of consolidation and continuity. By the special grace of God, on Wednesday, we will officially sign the contract for the commencement of the job, and by the grace of God, upper week, Monday or Tuesday, we'll flag off the project. We need to work together for a better River State. We, as a government, must work in a very way that the critics on their own will say, yes, these people, they know what they're doing. We can achieve it only when we set that standard that is above their own standard. This is one of it. This particular project is one of those standards. So we need your support to ensure that we complete it and we commission it for the people of Rivers State.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesili, TMC TV News.